These are the Sony WH-XM1004 headphones. Today I have a special unboxing episode of the limited edition Silent White version. This Silent White pair came out this summer and I had to grab a pair. The packaging is top tier. I'm a sucker for when companies give us something extra, and Sony did just that. There's a limited edition logo prominently displayed, and all around the packaging differs from the standard version. Once you crack this thing open, you'll find an icy white carrying case. I was pleasantly surprised Sony went with a white carrying case. Yeah, it might get a little dirty, but so what? It looks cool. Also, you'll find some paperwork for 360 sound, and of course the paperwork that none of us bothered to read. Again, this carrying case is icy. The gold accents are also dope. When the material is soft, the case is pretty hard, and it's going to do a great job for protection and storage for your headphones. The accessories included are also white. You get a 3.5mm headphone cable, you get a USB-C cable that's just the right size for connecting to a laptop, and you still get this little thingy that you use for when you're riding on an airplane. Now, when it comes to the headphones, continuing with that white with the gold accents for the carrying case, these are as white as a polar bear wearing a white parka drinking a glass of milk during a snowstorm. Although these headphones released back in 2020 in black, silver, and blue, honestly, I think it's dope that Sony stopped acting like that fruit company based in Cupertino had a monopoly on the color white. Sony, keep taking design risks when it comes to switching up your colors for your electronics. Aside from the color at first glance and the WH-XM1004 on the band, these don't look that much different from the previous version. However, looking closer, you'll notice that the headband, while still nicely padded, it is a little slimmer than the previous version. Continuing with the ear cup padding, however, you do get a little bit more padding. The material feels like you're getting money, and that increased padding does help add on a different level of luxuriousness and, dare I say, even plushness. Also, you'll notice on one of the ear cups on the inside, there's a sensor there for wear detection. This sensor is used to know when you remove your headphones and automatically pause your content and resume it when you place the headphones back on your head. Along the bottom of the cans, you'll see buttons to enable noise cancellation versus ambient mode, a power on and off switch, as well as a 3.5mm jack or just a cable, and USB-C for charging. Also, I love the fact that these are so foldable and makes them easy to pack away in your case of choice. This is a premium buy, so I plan to do some additional testing on these before I recommend that you purchase them, or even the previous XM3s. While I put that together, check out this other recent tech video that I did. Appreciate you watching. Jordan Thomas. Peace.